shrimp, pose, shrimp, pose, shrimp, shrimp, pose, shrimp, pose, shrimp, pose, shrimp, shrimp. Hey guys, so today we are with Chef Pee-Pee. Why are you recording? No, I'm just joking. Chef Pee-Pee's a loser. We're with, what's his name? Sock Monkey Guy. Oh, hi people. I'm recording a video. I like recording videos. Yeah, baby. So, shrimpos. Sorry, I like saying shrimpos now, because the person who I meant said shrimpos so many times. Because that was his name. Well, shut up and let me play. So, I am playing Turbo Dismount. My hands are made of fluff, so it's kind of hard to do stuff. So it said it's called bird or whatever. I don't know. But if it's a bird, we are gonna ride the bird. Yeah, baby. Okay, so get uncomfortable in there. Hello. Shrimpo, are you here to watch this? Yeah, I'm hunting freaking tigers. Oh, he just died. So, oh. Ew, yeah. Hurts. Well, anyways, I am getting the voice of Shrimpo because I do his voice so much in videos. So, okay, so probably wondering who is the main character in the whole entire thing that I mostly be. Shrimpo. No, it's actually Mario. Oh my god! That was the best one yet. Oh, I think I'm gonna go throw up. So, he's not with us because he's kind of throwing up right now. I hear him. You just can't hear the audio, but I can. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check on him. Is this recorded? Hey, yo, hi. Hi, I'm Little Mario, and I wanted to play this game because the person who voiced other characters went away, so I am voicing. I want to do this. So, I'm at full speed. I love this game. I play this every time I'm allowed to. Ooh, that looks like it hurt. You need to watch that in an instant replay. Okay, yeah, this is... No, I didn't press instant replay. Oh, we're gonna watch it like this. Run into that bus. Run into that bus. Oh, you missed it. Well, that's okay. You'll run into another car like that one. That one right there. I think I'm gonna go throw up. Oh, that was a big throw up, dude. Yeah. I wanna watch what he got when he died. I'm gonna do it just normal. Just normal. I think I'm gonna go throw up again. Okay, you go. So it's just me now, Landon, the voice of technically all the characters when Natalie's not here. So let's dismount this baby. Oh, smash into that car. No, that was so close. Okay, so the trees are hitting the camera. What? What happened to my body? I am definitely posting this video to YouTube.